Going to do a quick review on Nature Made Adult Gummies. It's supposed to be good for your hair, skin, and your nails. Get 150. This bottle's got 150 in them. This is what they look like. About the size of a small grape. This is okay. What's the matter now? You gotta watch my foot, honey. Just watch my foot. Oh, it's down here wanting attention. These are pretty good. They got a decent little taste to them. I don't know. No, they help you with your hair and everything like that clean. They got everything clean they do. But they're pretty good little dietary supplement. You want to try to get healthier skin, nails, and hair. I can't remember how much I paid for them right offhand. You can get them at excuse me, didn't mean to belch. You can get them at your most stores and drugstores and stuff that sells dietary supplements. Nature Made's a pretty well known brand. It's the name brand. I think it's sold nationwide here in the U.S. The USP has tested and verified ingredients, potency, and manufacturing process. USP sets official standards for dietary supplements. And it has all natural flavors, colors derived from natural sources, no synthetic dyes, no yeast, and gluten-free. You're supposed to chew two of these a day. And this one, that comes in mixed berry, cranberry, and blueberry flavors. This is Nature Made Adult Gummies for help you have healthier hair, skin, and nails.